Hello children, welcome back to English class. This is Unit 4. What can a dollar and 11 cents do? Part 2. So let's have a recap on last class. So in the last class, where we are? In the last class, we had started this lesson, and an 8 years old child named Tess had a brother, and she loved her brother very much. They used to play, and they used to play very happily. And one day, Tess comes to know that Andrew is very sick. She heard this news by her parents when they were talking to each other. Then she also knew that Andrew needs a costly surgery, and even her parents had spent a lot of money to pay to the doctor's bill. Now they were in a position that they cannot even take a loan, or um, spend some more money on him. Okay, so they loses their hope and efforts. So they were very much worrying about that small boy. Then at last, she even comes to know that her father saying to her mother that only a miracle can save the little boy. Only the miracle can save the little boy. Miracle means she thinks that miracle is a medicine, and only that medicine can save that boy. Then what she does? Then she picks her what is that, coins jar, where she saved all the coins. Then she picks that jar and runs to the medical store to purchase that miracle. Then she goes to the medical store and asks the chemist to get her a miracle. Then what the chemist says, here, I'm sorry, my dear child, we won't sell any type of miracles here. Then she also requests the chemist to give her that miracle, and she even tells that she will pay more money for that, whatever it costs. So this is about the last class. There we are. Now let us see. Let us go into the lesson. At the shop there was a well-dressed customer. He bent down and asked the little girl, "What kind of a miracle does your brother need?" Then there was a person who was well dressed. Okay. Then what he did? He bent down and asked the little girl, "What kind of miracle does she needs?" "I don't know," she replied with her eyes welling up. That means she was very much worrying about her brother. So then she said, "I don't know." Then, "He's really sick and mummy says he needs an operation." Then she's also an 8 years small child, and she also doesn't know what's going on. Shows, so she simply says that mummy says that he needs an operation, but my daddy can't pay for it, so I have brought my savings. So as her father cannot pay any more money for her brother's operation, she brought all her savings. "How much do you have?" asked the man. The man asked, "How much do you have? How much money do you have?" $1.11. See, I told you, no, in the last video what happened. She brought all her coins which were saved in a jar. She brought that jar to the chemist shop, medical store. Then she said, "I have $1.11, but I can try and get some more." What she said, if it is not sufficient, if this money is not sufficient, I will try to get some more money for you. But I want that miracle. She answered, barely audible. "Wonderful. smiled the man. Who is that man? That well-dressed man. Okay. He smiled and said, wonderful. $1.11, the exact price of a miracle for your little brother. Then the well-dressed man is none other than a doctor. He said that, okay, you have brought the exact money which, with which you can purchase a miracle, okay, for your little brother. He took her money in one hand and held her hand with the other. Then he took that money in one hand and he caught he held her hand in the other. He said, take me to your home. I want to see your brother and meet your parents. Let's see if I have the kind of miracle he needs. What the doctor said, what that person said, yes, let's go to your home and see your brother and meet your parents. Let us see what happened. And if I have that kind of miracle which he needs, let us see. Okay. That well dressed man was Dr. Carlton Armstrong, a famous neurosurgeon. So he was a doctor, a famous neurosurgeon. He had Andrew admitted to hospital where he operated on him without any charges. So see, this girl is very lucky. Okay. Then that well-dressed man, doctor, is very kind person, and as soon as he went to this little girl's home, he saw he saw Andrew, and he took Andrew to the hospital. He admitted that boy to his hospital and he operated him without taking any charges. Within a few weeks, Andrew was back at home and doing well. So, after as he got operated, after a few after a few weeks, he got discharged from the hospital and he went back to home and he is doing well. So he was perfectly all right. That surgery, her mum whispered. Then her parents were talking about that surgery. Was a real miracle. I wonder how much it would have cost. So her mother whispered. That means slowly she was saying about that surgery. She was thinking those moments. She said that was a real miracle. See, all of a sudden, how that doctor comes to the, if this test won't take a brave step, that means she has forwarded her step. That means with her innocence, she don't know about what happened to her brother. But the thing is, only she want to save her brother. She heard that only miracle can save him. Then she rushed to the medical store to purchase that miracle innocently. Then she met with the doctor and unexpectedly he came and he got that Andrew got operated. Then I wonder how much it would have cost. Tess smiled. Then Tess smiled at her mother and she knew exactly how much that miracle cost. $1.11 plus the love of a little child. See how much it cost? $1.11. Only that money she took the medical store, and with that money only, with that innocence and that mm, strong desire to save her brother, with that only she got the doctor. She brought the doctor to the home to save her brother. Okay, isn't it? $1.11 plus the love of a little child. Only the love of the little child and kind heartness of the doctor saved the little boy Andrew. Okay, this is the lesson about what can a dollar and 11 cents do. Okay, so it's really a miracle. Then the next slide you have assignment meanings. So children, here is your assignment. Meanings. Go through the meanings, read the meanings and write each one 2 times and learn it by heart. Okay. So what is this? Miracle. Miracle means a wonderful event that seems impossible and that is believed to be caused by God. So really miracle means it is done by the God itself. When the man loses all his hope, then he that means he leaves everything on the God. Okay, that means miracle. Something should happen means miracle should happen. Then chemist, a person who is qualified to prepare and sell medicines is called a chemist. Whisper, whisper means murmur, murmuring. To speak very softly to somebody so that others cannot hear what you are saying. Then audible, loud enough to be heard. So this is completely different. This is opposite to whisper. Audible means loud enough to be heard. Neurosurgeon, a doctor who performs operations on the nervous systems, especially on the brain. A person who, a doctor who performs operations on the nervous system, especially on the brain, is called a neurosurgeon. Okay, children? So write these meanings 2 times and learn well. So this is your assignment. Meet you in the next class. Bye bye. Thank you.